Welcome to my channel ICT. First chapter is computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts data input, processes it according to instruction, produced information output, and stores it for future use. Then data, raw fact and figures, for example numbers, texts, images. Information processed meaningful data. Then hardware the physical components of the computer system, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, printer, etc. Then software the program or instruction that tells the computer what to do. User, a person who interact with a computer system. Then CPU means central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer that performs processing tasks. Storage device used to store data permanently, for example hard drive, flash drive, etc. Then network, a system of computers connected to share resources and data. Internet, a global network connecting millions of the computer worldwide. Then types: embedded computer, mobile devices, personal computer means PC, server, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Then technology and society. Benefits of technology and society: easier communication, access to information, increased productivity, entertainment and convenience. Risks: privacy and accuracy threats, means information overreliance and technology, ethical and health of concerns. Chapter 2: The System Unit, Processing and Memory. Motherboard. This is a big flat board that everything connects to it. It's like the computer's nervous system, letting all the other parts talk to each other. Second point is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. This is the computer's brain. It does all the calculations and tells the rest of the computer what to do. Third point is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. This is the computer's short-term memory. It holds the information and programs that are currently in use. When you turn off the computer, the RAM forgets everything. Fourth point is storage drives. This is the computer's long-term memory. It's like a filing cabinet where all your files, softwares, and operating system are permanently stored even when the power is off. Fifth point is power supply. This unit takes electricity from your wall outlet and convert it into the right kind of power that all the internal components need. Chapter 3: Application Software. Application software consists of programs that help user perform specific tasks on a computer, such as writing, drawing, or communication. It differs from system software, which manage computer operations. Main types of application software include productivity tools like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software, graphics and multimedia programs for editing, images, audio and video, and communications tools such as email and video conferencing apps, educational environment, entertainment, and specialized software serve learning, fun, and professional needs. Specialized software is made for specific professions, while custom software is built for particular organization. Software suites like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace combine multiple applications into one package, while web and mobile apps provide access anywhere using cloud technology. Software licensing defines how programs are used, commercial, freeware, or open source. Regular updates and patches improve security and performance. Application software turns computer into tools for creating, learning, communicating, and managing information efficient. Chapter 4 Input and Output. This chapter explains how data enters and leaves a computer system through input and output devices. Input devices include keyboards, mice, touchscreens, scanners, cameras, and microphones. They allow user to enter commands, text, and multimedia data. Output devices include monitor, printers, projectors, speakers, and wearable displays. These present processed data to users. Display technologies LCD, LED, OLED, and 4K displays offers high clarity and energy efficiently. Printers laser inkjet and 3D printers create hard copies and models. Audio output speakers and voice system output sound for communication and accessibility. Modern developments touch gestures, voice recognition, reality AR and 3D printing improve how humans interact with computers.